Another flashpoint has erupted in the Gulf. Late at night, the quiet desert skies over Kuwait were suddenly shattered by a very powerful explosion. Witnesses near Camp Waring, one of the largest American military facilities in the region, reported seeing a sudden flash of fire followed by a thick column of smoke rising into the air. Within minutes, dramatic footage began circulating online. The videos appear to capture the moment a drone slammed into the outer perimeter of the base. A split-second impact, a bright explosion, and then dark smoke spreading across the desert island. While the attack is being claimed by Iran's powerful military force, the Islamic Revolutionary Guard Corps. According to the Iranian statement, the strike it was carried out using an armed drone as part of a wider campaign targeting American military assets across the region. Here, Tehran says that the attack are retaliation for recent military operations carried out by the US and Israel against Iran, killing their supreme leader, Mr. Khamenei. And Camp Waring. It is not just a military base located in northwest Kuwait near the Iraqi border. The installation serves as a critical logistics and staging hub for the US forces operating across the Middle East. Thousands of American troops rotate through this particular base. Convoys, armed unit, and supply operations are coordinated from here. In short, it is one of the most strategically important US bases in the Gulf, and that is why the strike has raised serious alarms. Witnesses describe hearing a loud boom that echoed across the surrounding desert. Moments later, security alarms inside the base reportedly went off as military personnel rushed to assess the situation. Emergency teams and military patrol quickly moved towards the impact zone. Well, so far, the officials have not really confirmed the extent of the damage or whether any personnel was injured or not. But here, the message behind the strike is clear. Iran is showing that the US military facilities, even outside the immediate war zone, they are now within the range. And this whole attack is part of a much larger pattern. Over the last few days, explosions and missile alerts have been reported across multiple countries in the region, from Iraq to the Gulf states, as tensions between Iran, Israel, and the US continue to escalate. Military bases on high alert, air defense systems are constantly scanning the skies, and regional governments are scrambling to contain the fallout this time, because what began as confrontation between few countries, it is now spreading across the Middle East. And with drones, missiles, and warships now entering the battlefield, the region is moving closer than ever to a full-scale regional war.